the car does feel really good. As far as the power with this mid-pipe, it's not really horsepower that you pick up, it's torque lower down in the range, and so that was kind of why I got it. I want to see if it helps on the track, pulling out of some of the corners, but super easy to bolt this on. It took me 20 minutes to take off the other mid-pipe and bolt this on. Hey there Miata, what's it like in the garage? I know that you'd rather be at the racetrack, but I'm filming a time lapse for Luke because he wants it. Here you go, Luke. I hope you enjoy this video. I hate time lapses and this is for you. We are here at Racing Beat and I've been going back and forth with my tuner, with the EcuTech tuner, and I've been having problems with the Miata on the track. We thought there were some engine problems. It turned out that the MAF was bad. I have a track day tomorrow, so I had to go to the dealership and buy one of these, and it was $300. So that is the total expense right there, $300 for the new MAF. And of course, I put the thing in and it runs beautifully. But I figured, since I just spent $300 on the MAF, I might as well buy a mid-pipe from Racing Beat because they're local to me and they have them in stock. So we're here at Racing Beat, right here. We're gonna grab a mid-pipe. All right, so here it is. This is the pipe. It's in two pieces and it's kind of big. So we're gonna see if we can slide the box in that way. And if not, I'll take the pipes out and we'll go from there. Good, you? Good. Can I get a patty with no seasoning for the dog?
Yeah, of course. Any drinks with that?
No drinks. Sit. Stay. 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 Come. Oh. Oh. Sit. Sit. Big patty for you. So I got a request for the exhaust with the header. Just the header, and I'll roll the windows down. There's not a whole lot of sound that comes out of the exhaust when you just put a header on the NC Miata. It sounds just kind of like stock, but a little bit louder. So I'll show you what it sounds like under load as we go up this hill over here. It's just not very exciting. So second gear right here, we're gonna rev it out. So I'm gonna do a before and after with the stock mid-pipe and the Racing Beat mid-pipe. And this is not the loudest version of it. One lap, or not even a lap, and then I had the spark plug gap close again, and I think that it was because I didn't replace the plugs from yesterday. So I went out to the auto store, bought new plugs, and I put them in. I'm gonna make the second session, but I wanna show you how bad the spark plug is. So this was the plug. It was completely smashed and closed, and so I'm hoping that's from yesterday, from when the MAF was out, because I didn't even get on the car before it happened. But what's weird is I did check the tune out on the road before I got on the track, so should have been fine, but it wasn't. So we're gonna run it again and see what happens. Also, the engine is making a clacking sound, and I think it's the intake. There's like swirl flaps in this intake. So I'll start it up and show you what that sounds like. So we're gonna have to replace that one way or another. the sound. And it's kind of coming from over here. So it almost sounds like some heavy valve train noise, but I think it's just the intake. I put the tool up to hear where it's coming from, and it's coming from the intake. So I'm just gonna run the car and see what happens. If I blow up the engine, then I blow up the engine, and what can you do?